Hi, today I'm so happy because with me today Dr. Fred Zulli from Switzerland. Are you excited to go with me inside the production?
Yes, thank you very much for this invitation
Right,
to see your factory.
Right, thank you. So today saya akan bawa you all semua untuk masuk dalam production bersama dengan Dr. Fred untuk melihat production, apa benefit to you kalau you guna kita punya new range of product. Jom, okay, come. The productions where I did all the product for the house cosmetics. So basically today we wanted to share with all of you guys two products, which is sunscreen stick and also the moisturizer stick, which we are using the NovoRetin from Mibelle Biochemistry. And today I want to know what is the benefit of the NovoRetin if people outside there using these ingredients. Can you share with others, Dr. Fred?
Yes, so this NovoRetin is an ingredient we have developed and it has multifunctional properties. So the main activity is based on a retinoic acid-like activity. That means it has anti-aging effect and anti-impure skin effect. That means reducing sebum production and clearing impurities. But we also discovered that this product has an instant lifting effect. And our new studies which just came out show also that it has a brightening effect, which all fits to the retinoic acid-like property.
So can also effect for the brightening?
Yes.
Okay, what about if for people who are having acne skins, they can use the
yes, this is very special.